Okay, what is this thing called here?
Che cosa, come si chiama questa margine qui?
Bead. It's called a bead. So there's a gathering of pigment here, just
Un
as
accumulo
was
di
here.
pigmento lungo la linea.
And so when I put in my barge, and I'll use some red, we'll get into some colour, okay? Or maybe not, maybe blue, keep it nice and cool. Alright, I'm going to put this in like so, in about 2 seconds or so. So that's our first strike. There is an alternative way of doing this, yeah?
Avete visto la pennellata?
Okay, and the barge itself is very dark. They are usually black, so super strong. Crema, basically.
Abbastanza forte come intensità tonale.
Very strong. No, yeah. You have to use a lot of pigment. Takes ages to build it up till I'm happy.
Useremo tanto pigmento.
Warm, I think. And I come in under that and hopefully leave a little line there, like that.
Lascerà.
Oh, that's okay. I was actually going to break that on purpose here and there. You don't want this careful, continuous line. You want it to see.
Non una linea continua, lo potete connettere con la macchina che c'era
Take
prima.
the same stuff into that bead, break in, come through, up here, and there is a typical barge in Venezia, see? And we go to here. I think the blue could be a bit stronger. I'm worried about your dress. Did I?
Oh no, it's okay.
So, yes, we're on the last day, but I truly enjoyed my few days here. I was here before the workshop, and it's been tremendous time in Rome. There's a history I won't bore you with, but my last visit here wasn't so enjoyable.
Non era piacevole l'ultima visita a
I
Roma.
wasn't allowed to paint.
Perché non c'era tempo o la possibilità di dipingere.
That's why I now have a new girlfriend.
Per questo ha cambiato la ragazza.
Smaller as they go away, so you can't have giant reflection here.
Un oggetto lontano non può, anche il riflesso va in prospettiva, nel senso che si rimpicciolisce, non può essere così lungo come...
It takes a bit of time to learn the correct proportions of this. I can't teach you that, sorry. Again, just little ones. So it's basically this, but it's much further away. This one, because it's moving, I'll just give it a little bit there.
Questo perché il movimento
It's
magari le metterà giusto una striscia.
a speedboat thing coming in. And I'm almost finished. I want to keep this nice and simple, and yes, again, some little marks here, crispen this up a bit, connect it up.
Uniche.
I connect it with this. I can't teach you how many of these to put in, how big to make them.
Non ci puoi insegnare di dire quante onde.
Pure intuition.
È la vostra intuizione che vi suggerirà.
And don't worry, I'll make a mistake, I think. I'll do one more. Bah.
E noi vi preoccupate se metterete una in più.
It's rubbish. I've done that, don't worry. I can't think of anything else to do. It's such a simple little painting, but there you are. I hope you enjoy doing this. Don't... should I put a gondola in? What do you think?
Che pensate? È da mettere la gondola dentro?
Quella disegnata lì al centro del dipinto.
I don't think it really needs it, does it? Not really. So there's some pencil left there for that, but I'm not going to worry about it, okay? And maybe make these a bit higher here and there. Just a nicer connection. And a few seagulls. Funny enough, there's not that many seagulls in Venezia. We must eat them or something. There isn't
They
there.
are in supermarket eating the rubbish.
Space makers. Space makers. They are at the port, the industrial port. All right. The only thing I don't like about this painting, and this is a good lesson, this is too weak. It's too close to that. Okay?
Allora vedete la differenza tonale tra l'ultimo piano e questo
Il molo.
molo?
So I'm going to glaze over it.
Poca differenza, poco contrasto, allora lo andrà a caricare per
Staccare i piani.
staccare i
It
piedi.
needs to be stronger to come in front of that. Now, glazing is, you could argue, fixing things, but really it's just simply making it darker. You can always go darker. So that's what I'm doing. It's just simply a glaze of
Semplicemente coprire un po'
something over it, probably milk consistency,
con la consistenza del latte.
and it'll find its way down there easily. Now that, I feel, has brought that much further forward from that.
Adesso funziona molto meglio la profondità.
There are some other bits I don't like. This line here, I can actually do the opposite and wet it and lift some of this pigment off. Mix some of this across and get a nice connection there. But that's about it. I'm starting to... I could make these figures nicer, put, you know, highlights on them and faces and stripy
Possiamo
tops.
ovviamente aggiungere dei dettagli alle figure, farli più carini, dargli del colore ai vestiti e altro.
This painting is about this.
Ma questa pittura parla dei riflessi, del gioco sull'acqua.
So I want you to work on that, okay? So you're next. That's it.
Adesso tocca a voi.
Alright, grazie tanti. I'll get this off and I'll make the angle flatter so it's better.